Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI meeting assistant platform, which is Sembly and Notta. So to get started with the quick analysis, Sembly is built for teams who want rich meeting insight and structured follow-up. It record and transcribe calls from Zoom, Meet, and Teams, then use AI to detect action items, decisions, sentiment, and speakers attribution. Integrations with tools like Trello, Slack, and HubSpot let you turn note into task directly. User presses it, details, summaries, and multi-meetings searchable archives. And on the other hand, Nota's meanwhile excels in real-time bilingual transcription and calendar automation. It supports over 58 languages, automatically join meetings, and create a searchable transcript with a timestamps speakers label and speak summaries via chatbot. Nota's mobile-friendly app, meeting $6 and export options like SRT and CSV make it a versatile for global team. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. So if you need a deep meeting analysis with a structured outcomes and task integration, go with Sembly. So if your priority is accuracy and multilingual transcription with a automatic meetup setup and a calendar synchronization, Notta is your best and better pick for you. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI assistant platform. Thanks.